Hello, I'm Jack at Downs Autos and I'm really pleased to have another brand new shape 2023 Ford Ranger Wildtrak in stock. So this particular Ranger's a really nice example. It's got a really nice option list on it. So it's got loads of options over and above your standard Wildtrak vehicle. It's got, I'll just list them now, but I'll go through them on this video as we go through it. It's got the obviously metallic paint. It's got the Technology Pack 71. It's also got the Ice Pack 106. It's got the Power one-shot windows, and it's got the electronic roller shutter on the rear and the tow bar as well. So that's quite a lot of technology packs, and with those packs you get different items. So let's go around and talk about the vehicle in a bit more detail. So it's got delivery mileage on it, less than 100 miles on it at the moment. As you can see, it's also had the wrap ticket added, so that's an aftermarket fit. So you've got there the Ford lettering on the front badge. You've got the lower bumper bar down below. You've got a full blackout on the front bumper, so normally you get a bit of silver trim at the bottom of the bumper. That's been painted black. Obviously with a back vehicle, that really sort of makes it look a lot better than having the silver strip down there. 20-inch alloys, wide wheel arch kit as well, sun deflectors on the top of the windows. So that's part of the wrap ticket that this vehicle's got. Just go round now. Obviously, condition is brand new. It's not a mark on it as you'd expect, like a new vehicle. It's just literally got 100 miles on it. So let's talk a bit more about the technology packs, etc. So Tech Pack 71, which this one's got, you get all the standard Wildtrak features, but on top of that you get, and I need my sheet for this, so on top of the standard Wildtrak features you get the blind spot monitoring. So in the wing mirrors you've got the blind spot warning on both sides. You've got the reverse brake assist. So when you're reversing onto a road, what's quite good on these pickups, obviously quite long, this one gives you cross traffic alert. So you see there you've got a parking sensor on the side, the standard Wildtrak which have one on that section there. This one has it on the side, so as you're reversing it tells you you've got traffic coming from the left or the right, and it'll apply brake as well if you want it to. You've got advanced automated parking system, so it's got the front and rear camera, so it will also aid you on the parking as well, and I'll show you that when we go inside. What else have you got? You've got the 360 camera, so it's the camera above the vehicle that looks down. Again, I can show you that when we're inside. And the Tech Pack 71 comes with a tow bar and the tow hitch as well. And the audio pack, or 106 audio pack Ice Pack, gives you the Bang Olufsen sound system. So you've got the upgraded sound system on this one. We can tell that because you can see the symbol on the tweeter there. And also you've got a bass speaker in the back, so you get more speakers. Right, so that's the packs on this vehicle. Obviously I don't want to go too long on the video, but I think that's quite important because they're quite rare to get those. Alright, while we're on the rear of the vehicle, power roller shutter. So you've got three ways to operate that. You can push a button there and it will power open. We can push the button again there, stop it at any position, and then push it a third time and it will close. So you can operate the power roller shutter on the button there, a button next to the steering wheel, and a button on the key fob. So there's 3 different ways to do that. As we go around, I just mentioned front and rear sensors, parking sensors. You've got the front and rear cameras. You've got the LED daytime running lights. Front end view, I think it's a stunning view of this particular Ranger in the black with the wrap ticket on it. Let's go inside. Electric adjustment on the driver's seat. That's the button for that rear roller cover. Obviously you have like things like cup holders, which you didn't get on the old model here. I'm going to sit inside and go through some of the features. In terms of other stowage, you've got a stowage box up there which you didn't have on the old vehicle, cup holder down there as well. Obviously the large screen is the massive improvement over your older vehicle. Here's your cruise control. Now it's adaptive cruise control, so it will follow the vehicle in front, so you can set the distance you want it to follow and it will follow that vehicle. This particular Ranger has got 87 miles on it. It'll probably creep up very slightly from that, but it'll be about 100 miles or less when you buy the vehicle from me. Right, on the menu here you can change a number of menu items. So we can have menu, you can have different displays, so you can customize your view. Sorry, pushed the wrong button, let's go back. So you can customize the view you want to show, so you can have your navigation, you can pick what you want to go through on this view here. So as you scroll down, that's the large screen, all touch screen. So if we go here, we can see additional settings, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, pre-collision warning, blind spot I mentioned, that's part of the Tech Pack, wrong way alert, cross traffic alert, and brake assist, reverse brake assist. That's all part of the Tech Pack 7. You don't get on the standard Wildtrak. If we put the vehicle in reverse, you can see there you've got that sky view of the 360 camera, which you don't get. You get the standard camera, you don't get that normally without the Tech Pack 71. And obviously with the sound system, because you've got the Bang & Olufsen speaker system, you get more speakers, you get the better speakers, but you can also change, like have surround sound as well. You get your standard items on there, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which you normally get. You get heated seats and steering wheel on the 2023 plate Ranger, so the steering wheel, which you didn't get on the old Wildtrak, and heated seats. I just want to, you can, things like zone lighting as well. So there's probably too much stuff for me to do on this video because the video will get too long, but that just gives you an idea. And I want to just put you back on the main navigation screen, so you can have your standard vehicle navigation or the Android Auto option as well. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, as you'd expect. That there is the P for the parking aid system. So if I put the vehicle in drive, push the P, start to move. Now that would navigate me to parking spaces, so to give me the list of parking spaces, but this one I will show you is the park assist. So we can decide on the type of park you want to do. So at the moment it's scanning for a space on the left. If I indicate to the right, it will tell me a place on the right. But then I can also do this, so we can pull into a reverse into a slot. So you've got different options as well for the type of parking you can do. I might do a separate video to show this working. In fact, I will do that. Let's put that back in park. Back on the settings, and then on the navigation screen, just to give you a feel for it. Obviously climate controls, as you'd expect on a vehicle like this. Interior, everything on the vehicle is as new basically. It's just literally got delivery mileage on it. Rear armrest, you get power source down there as well. So I'm Jack at Downs Autos. Feel free to just get in touch if you want more information about the vehicle and other vehicle ranges in stock. Thank you very much for watching the video.